Puzzle in about 3 minutes. Hope everyone had a wonderful day. And I hope this is not necessarily a new room. It's different than last year for sure, though. Last year there definitely was a
Hello?
temporary apartment. So if you're noticing something a little different, I think it might be the color range of my camera. I accidentally touched one of the settings, and now it is showing me super yellow rather than super blue. It happens. So anyways, where were we? Just going to talk about... What was I going to talk about? I don't remember what I was going to talk about. Let's go ahead and make sure I have all of these stuff that I will need in order to...
No frames drop? This is crazy. Can I do this in like 60 FPS, you think? Whoa, let's go! Yes! Hi, Flipper.
I don't understand how she does this shit in Crystal.
Oh, wait, camera's over here, my bad.
And Crystal
Hi, Flipper.
sucks.
Hello.
It's missing all the good methods. This one was nice. Leon, I got it all really clean here for yesterday. Yeah, well, reading is actually the hardest part of all of these problems. I've been trying to read more slowly. I think it helps. It's pretty beautiful, huh? You know, I wonder if you could do like... And like if the order would work. Yeah, the zeros would come first. Yeah, but then you'd still have separate. I was just wondering if there's a really clean way to print the whole thing at the end. The folding thing was just math. Oh shit, it's time. Okay. Bye. I don't know what an octothorpe is. Oh no, it's one of these again. Oh no. Should all happen simultaneously. Jesus Christ. Okay. Yeah. Is that enough? Huh? Oh. Yeah, okay. This is a big reduce, but I'm gonna do it dumb style. Why is it indenting weird? Do I need a dot each? Well, let's find out. Yeah, what? Oh, yeah. Huh? Okay, that's right. Okay, now we gotta... Taking the quantity of the most common elements, subtracting the quantity. Okay, template.tally. Wait, oh. $15.88, yeah, okay. 2745. Oh yeah, baby. Oh no. Okay, so this clearly isn't going to work. Need a better data structure for this? Wait. This is like a search thing, right? Like everything that happens between n and n is bounded, right? Holy shit. Yeah, okay. Wait. Wait. Strategy doesn't exactly work because you have overlapping pairs. Wait. This is a search problem. What is the proper base case? I'm skeptical. Huh. Is the base unit 3 characters then? Because you have to account for the ends overlapping. Oh no. What if I try to write something simpler first? And then they share an extra C, right? Is that right? Uh-oh. Oh, they're a little wrong. Is this number off? This needs to be 9? Nah. It's close. So my search is a little wrong. C equals pairs. A plus B, right? And someone is to search between with NN. We're searching between N and C, which produces B, and C and N. This is C. It seems right, right? It's like if you, how crazy does this get if you take out? It's weird that N is dead on. Huh. Can we try to do it by hand, right? So we'll have N, N, and then N, C, N, and then NC becomes B, right? NBC, and then CN becomes C, so it'd be CCN. So would we have followed the rules correctly here? Like, what if this was just 3, or this is actually just 2, right? So we should have N, B, C, C. So I would expect 3 C's, 2 N's, and a B. I can't even do this by hand. There should be 2 C's? Wait, what? NCN. Wait, okay. So the NC becomes NBC, and the CN becomes CCN, right? Oh, the middle C was already used here. Yeah, okay, so it should be NBCCN. My second solution is wrong because it gets the C count wrong. So yeah, the pyramid thing, it doesn't, subtracting C by 1 doesn't exactly work, right? Like, where are we going wrong? NN calls search pairs. And then 2 and C1. So NC1 should return NBC, right? Fuck. NC pairs 1. Yeah, correctly returns NBC. And it works with only one layer. It's the summation that doesn't quite work, right? This is wrong. CN is just straight up wrong on its own for some weird reason. Wow, weird. CN should give CC and CN, right? This seems right. CN produces CCN. So I should expect to see 2 C's and 1 N. So I get CCN. So that should return. Oh, this is fucked up. They can be the same. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. I need to. Okay, that matches. So I want to do 40 steps on. Wait. Oh, this is only the pairs, right? So I need to extend searching pairs. Okay. Okay, now we need to hit that. Search pairs, A, B, pairs, and then the depth here is 10 for now. This thing's fucking slow. Oh, it's just wrong. Wait. What? What? But we were so good on the other one. What went wrong? Oh, we fucked up our template. This is dumb. Yeah, okay, that matches. Okay. 2745. Oh, we need to go 40. This thing might blow up. And if it does, we just take the least common element, subtract the. Okay, same. Yes. Okay, I could have done that faster, but it's still pretty quick. Oh fuck. That was the first like hard one, I think. Oh, Kevin, he's so fast. He's so fast. Thank you. Oh man. Thanks everyone. Let's just spend a second here cleaning this up. Kevin, yeah, talk about your PhD. Kevin, you want to come on the Discord and talk to the chat about your PhD? Is there a faster way to express? Here, how do I DM you? You're on here. We've talked on here before. I just don't know how to do it. If I just search for Kevin. Are you Kevin NP? You Kevin P? Just call me on here. We talked before. Oh, are you Math? No, that's someone else. Oh, it is Math. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, welcome to the stream. Everyone, this is Kevin. Yeah, do you guys wanna join our call? Kevin, coordinate with the chat and add them to the call. I don't know how to do it. You're young, figure it out.
What? Alright, I don't know if this is possible.
That guy Charles wants to join. Yeah, I don't know. It's possible. It's for sure possible.
Wait, you don't have like a server?
Oh, I do too, but here, okay. Let me how do I invite people to this? How do you invite people to Discords? Okay, copy invite link.
Well, see, I'm not a PhD yet, so I don't know if I can help you there.
Okay, here. Welcome. All right, I'll see you in a Fake
Nice.
Phony News podcast.
Hello, hello.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, so yeah, looks like you're second on the leaderboard today.
Oh, so I thought a few people were ahead of me for part 2. I got top 100 for the first part because it was just really quick on doing the string manip.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Wait, do you think this is generalized? So I wrote a recursive algorithm that acts on simply pairs, but the top level is weird. And I was wondering if there's a way to like push those into each other. You know what I mean? Like this stuff. Like I wonder if it's expressible generally here.
Well,
Because the work is so similar.
I just expressed the recursive function as how many characters are you going to add. So ignoring, right? It's not how many characters are they're going to be, but it's just how many characters are you going to.
What do you mean?
Additional characters are there going to be?
Well, you can't know that, right? Oh, you mean like, wait, what?
Root recursively.
You have to show me your solution.
All right. So.
Oh, Stacks is in here. They're just muted. Oh, thanks, Vivi. This just feels so janky here.
Alright, so I'm sharing my screen if you wanna.
Oh yeah, okay.
Check it out.
What's the ret val from Get Nums?
How many?
Like a hash between character and
yeah.
and
It's a dictionary. Yeah. It's a hash map. It's a counter.
So your recursive base case is likewise specified between only pairs.
Yeah.
What do you do at the top level? Do you do like a weird thing just up top?
So I just initialize the counter hash map with the counts of the original string.
Oh, so you're agnostic to having to double count the ends because you only care about characters that weren't there before.
Exactly. I don't count the ends at all. Yeah. Just don't count the ends.
Holy shit. Holy shit. That's genius. Wait, but do you have to do something in the recursive case that's weird? No, I guess you have mid. So what goes into... What's the get nums base case? Nothingness.
When k equals 0.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow, that's so much simpler.
Yeah, I was trying to do it the other way, like I think your way first, and then I came up with this.
That's so clever.
It's pretty nice.
I can't, like, it takes a while to even see that your way works. Like, because you instinctively want to ask something like, but what happens to the pairs that got added in between? But like they were already counted. They needed only be counted once. I'm double counting basically almost every character in the entire final string. But you don't need to. You only need to count when they get created the first time. Okay, I would feel bad just implementing that because you already did it. There's like no point. Like, that is obviously the correct solution. I got hung up on this weird bug for a while where I was returning, like, because my base case is different, like, I always pick the wrong base case. My base case is like when you're at depth 0, you return the pair itself. And I was returning like a hash from like character A to 1 and character B to 1, but it fucked up when A and B are the same character because I would miscount. And I just had this weird bug for like 5 minutes. And then I realized the easiest way to express it is just like A-B tally. But did you need menoization for yours to run in a reasonable amount of time?
Yeah, I think so. Right? Otherwise, it's just brute force, right?
Yeah. Oh, man. Okay. Hey, Charles or Stacks, do you want to ask our resident genius, Kevin, any questions?
Yeah, AMA.
Yeah, he's here.
Is there a good math course for a PhD? What kind of PhD?
Comparative literature.
Is this computer science? CS. What kind of CS?
There are different kinds.
Yeah, there's like theory, like algorithms like this, and there's like machine learning.
Okay.
Machine learning. I think people usually say for machine learning, I think you don't need too much, just like linear algebra and calculus, I think.
Wait, Kevin, how far along are you in your PhD journey?
Oh, I haven't started yet.
Wait, so
I'm
why?
applying right now.
You are in no way authority on this topic. Kevin, why are you getting a PhD? You're too talented.
Because well, so what I want to study is game AI, like kind of like AlphaZero, that kind of stuff.
Okay.
He's eat shit, Kevin.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, I don't know. I just like it seems really cool to me. And it seems pretty hard to like get into the field without being in like academia or something.
Don't people just do a bunch of internships and see if they like it first? Like, do you want to? I mean, I feel like there's only like 3 companies that are doing like video game AI cutting edge shit, and that like if that were your goal, you would simply apply to them directly.
Uh, well, I guess I feel like I kind of want the space to explore
Mm-hmm.
and like because if you work at a company, right, you have to kind of just do what the company says.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, and it yeah, like, and I want to do research, not just like
Okay.
work. You know,
So,
I want to do like like AlphaZero, like the deep mind kind of stuff.
mm,
Um,
did you watch that OpenAI movie?
the Dota one.
The Dota one.
Yeah, yeah, it was pretty good.
It was a very long job ad for working at OpenAI. Were you tempted to apply afterwards?
um, yeah, a little bit, but I think the PhD. I think like they mostly accept people with PhDs. Like the normal journey is like, oh, get a PhD, then join one of these companies.
Are you like 21?
I'm 25.
Whoa. Wait. Have you been out of the school system for a while? Did you get a master's or something?
No, I was working in San Francisco for
Oh, that's
a
right.
couple years.
Wait, so you're going
Yeah,
back in.
yeah, exactly.
Well, how does that even work?
Yeah, it's not easy. It's
Like,
pretty hard actually because you need to have like letters of rec and
right, and like GPAs and so
stuff.
forth, right? Did you get your boss to write you a letter of recommendation?
No, I considered it and maybe I should have, but I just I've been doing research like unpaid for the past year, so I just kind of got people that I've been working with
Whoa.
to write me letters.
That's cool, man. You've been going for it. Yeah, I had no idea what you've
Yeah.
been up to. You kind of just post about basketball on Twitter.
Yeah.
Stacks
Yeah.
asks, "How are you doing unpaid research?" Like, that's a good question. Like, how is that possible?
Yeah. So, yeah, I don't know how easy it was. Like, I don't know like how lucky I was, but I had a friend from uh, UCI where I went to school, where I did my undergrad, and I just asked him like, oh, do you know, like, is there any research that you're doing that I can just join you on, or like, do you know anyone? And he referred me to someone else from his lab that he said was really good.
Wait, labs just
And
take random civilians as labor?
um, I don't know. Like, I don't know how normal it is, but it worked this time. Like,
Well, I,
yeah, I was
I
just like,
love
yeah,
that
do
you
you need
just
any?
figured it out, man. That's sick. That's sick.
Yeah, thanks.
What did you research during
Um,
your unpaid research year?
what did I research? I started researching. So yeah, the pretty cool thing was that I was kind of just looking for like anything to do for like experience, but the guy that I ended up getting referred to is basically working on like exactly what I want to do, which is like how do we solve these uh, these kinds of games that haven't been solved yet,
Did you build a cool
which are
game
like
AI?
um, I did build a cool game AI. Here, let me show you actually.
Yes. Yes.
There's
Show.
There's this game called Reconnaissance Blind Chess.
Is this like Fog of
Which
War
is
chess?
yeah, exactly. It's just like it's similar to that, right? So there's it's just like another kind of take on it.
Well, there's
So
a
you can't
bot
see your opponent's
leaderboard.
pieces,
Whoa.
but you have uh, an action that you can take. So you can see I'm third place on the bot leaderboard.
Oh, this is you? It's you just named your bot Kevin.
Okay, when you make an account, it doesn't say like name your bot. It just says like username. And so I was just like Kevin, and then I realized everyone else picked a cool name.
Is there a way
But
to
it's too
see
late.
like a visualization of a particular game in play? Well, I guess we can read game rules.
Yeah, no, there definitely is. Yeah, you can click on the watch link there, where you just were.
Like back here?
Uh, yeah. Sorry, I'm
Oh,
watching your
this thing.
stream.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
it's
I
just like
gotcha.
delayed.
Okay. How do I? Okay, so what is this 3x3 square again?
Okay, so you can't see your opponent's pieces,
Okay.
but you have an action before you move every turn, where you can just scout a 3x3 area and you learn everything that's in there.
Okay. So why did your bot scout this lower left-hand corner?
Because it's the first turn, so you already know.
Oh, there's no
Uh,
useful information to be
there-
had on the first turn. I see.
Yeah.
Okay. So now on this turn, you'll do some kind of interesting scouting, right? Wait, can the pawns see around them?
No, nothing can
So
see.
you can
anything.
literally only see the squares that your pieces are on by default.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. You take? Seems unsound. So the bot knows this piece has been taken, right? He doesn't need to scout here.
Yeah.
So like black actually has
It
perfect
knows.
information right now.
Um. It knows that his piece was taken, but it doesn't know it took it.
Yeah, but it does
So
though
it
in
could have been a knight.
practice. No, there's only one piece that could have taken the pawn. Like on this turn. But I guess it doesn't know. Oh, it doesn't know that you moved your pawn there. Oh.
I guess it knows that the knight wasn't there. So yeah.
Oh, it's scouted
It
here.
doesn't know that it
Yeah,
was the
yeah,
pawn.
yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, so it can just blindly retake. Yeah,
Yeah.
see, it didn't even scout it. It's just like wanted. It smartly got information about some other. I guess it literally doesn't matter. Like that turn literally doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And you also your bot whenever it does this is like your bot has perfect knowledge, right?
Yeah.
When you scout the
Yeah.
lower left hand side. Okay, cool. Knight
Yeah.
scouts the knight. Wow, clever. Like these bots are smart. Ooh,
Yeah,
okay,
they're pretty
check,
good, but
check.
they're still
Okay, this
they're
is
still pretty
it's
still a lot
interesting because
more.
I only have a human intuition for what good chess moves look like in the opening, and like this seems crazy to me that you like full bishop retreat, but it might make sense like in the meta. You know what I mean? It's got okay. I'm really curious how this game will end. Wait, what is this red thing here?
I think that's a scroll bar. Wait, oh red. Oh, that means it tried to take, but there's no candidate.
Wait, what? So they
'Cause-
move the bishop up. You scout the bishop. How could you have tried? Oh, it seems like your bot made a mistake here, right?
Yeah, maybe it. Well, I think it didn't know that the queen. It doesn't know what happened the previous move. Maybe.
It didn't know that the queen hadn't pushed up. There hadn't been that many
Yeah,
turns. You saw the pawn. You
The-
retreated. He scouts. He moves the
it
bishop.
did-
You scout the bishop, and then you try to capture.
Yeah, it could be. It could just be a pass move. So.
Oh wait, you can literally
might have just-
pass by making an illegal move.
Yeah, you can also
Oh.
just pass. There's also just a pass move, but it's identical.
What's gonna happen?
And the bots are kind of dumb.
He
so
moved
sometimes
his
they just do
king.
Dumb stuff.
What the fuck? Look at this. This is a win by timeout, so a bunch of crazy shit can happen here.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't explain that king move. Well, can I?
It seems like research has a long way to go on this particular game variant.
Yeah, so
Have
I
you
got
played? Have you played? Like, have you taken like human GMs against bots?
no, because this game was created for AI research, so there's no human experts, but there's
I know, but all you
for
have to
Fog
do,
of War Chess.
all you have to do is grab a GM, let them play the game for half an hour, and then just see like
Uh,
how good they are, like roughly. You know what I mean?
yeah, that'd be sick. So there's maybe a better candidate for that kind of research would be Fog of War Chess because it's on chess.com and
Yeah.
people actually play it and there's like ranking. There's some guys from CMU did do that, and so they have a
Wait.
they have an AI that they put against the top player for Fog of War Chess, and they lost 9-1, but
That makes sense.
did they did pretty good.
Yeah, 9-1 is pretty good, right? Like they took one game off. You're winning. I mean, you have your queen still. You're up material. You're about to capture a rook. Oh, maybe he doesn't know. Maybe you don't know. Maybe it's been a while since you scouted that corner. I wonder if the bishop will go for the take. Ooh, weird. Okay. Wait, do you know if you're in check?
Nah, you don't.
So you can just lose the game if you miss a check.
Yeah.
And they just ran out of time here. Okay, that's fascinating. Very neat. Thanks for coming on the show, Kevin.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
Um,
Is there anything you would like
yeah,
viewers to know about your experience with this year's Advent of Code? You're currently completely owning as far like let me just pull it up.
yeah,
Yeah, you're pretty yeah, it's brutal. Wait, where are you on global?
yeah. That's uh, not
There's
not
other
as
there's
good as
other
I
Kevins,
hoped.
but it looks like you're not in the top 100 currently.
I'm not. I only have 286 points.
I have like 100.
Yeah, it's tough.
No.
Yeah, that's not bad.
I have 30. Sorry, I misspoke. I have like 35 points. Yeah, what should people do? Like, what's the easiest way to get better at Advent of Code if you're racing?
Uh, I think just do a lot of problems. Probably.
You
I don't
don't.
know. I've definitely gotten worse the past couple of years. So,
Same.
um, yeah.
Do you use like
I
preset
think
libraries to do DFS and so forth?
no. I have I can show you my library,
Oh yeah. Show us the secret
my
sauce.
boilerplate. I mean, I don't really have a secret sauce. I feel like I could gain a lot. I could probably gain like 30 seconds if I added more. I just have
Oh, it's literally called boilerplate.
these. I just have these directions. So this really helped for the past couple days.
Yeah, you have the 8-element array of the cross product between -1, 0, and 1 with itself minus the center.
And then I have this regex for reading an input. I don't know if you have this.
What is that?
It has something like this. It just automatically reads in all the sequences of digits.
That's crazy. I can't
in a
even.
line.
I'm not even gonna try to reason through what that does. What else you got in here? Is this it?
Yeah, just some input reading.
Wow,
My input
nice.
reading boilerplate.
Okay.
Yeah, I know there's like libraries where like you automatically download and submit the input. I feel like I should probably use those.
Yeah, the #1 guy does that for sure. Have you seen his streams? I think he's
Is
uploaded
it
some recordings or
Carlton?
something. I forget his name. I've definitely seen some recordings where like some guy is like super fast submitting AOC solutions from the command line. It's
Yeah.
pretty tight. Okay, that's all
Yeah,
I got. Let's get out of here, man. Let's get out of here.
All right.
We're good.
Well, yeah. Thanks for having me on.
Yeah,
Have
great.
a good night.
I'm glad that you're doing well a year later. Continue to check in on you every year until you die. Good night.
See ya.
All right. Hey, who's still streaming? Is anyone on? Okay, well, we're gonna go Radiana stream.
Sir, that this returned a hash.
All right, goodbye,
of
everyone.
A
It's been
string
real.
To a string, baby. Anywho, solve part 1 is going to take in an input.
Oh, she's got
as
this.
the-
She's got
Oh,
this.
baby. Spent too much time in the outer of the language. I'm already losing it. I'm losing my kahuna. What was I saying? Alright, so we're gonna take the polymer template. Oops. So this is not going to return that. This is going to return a tuple. Is this gonna be a tuple? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a tuple just because it's easiest. We're gonna